If you could earn 50 bucks an hour from your bedroom, would you still bother asking your parents for allowance? Because right now, teens are getting paid more with AI than most adults with real jobs. And the wildest part? Nobody in school even mentions it. Let me show you how the hustle actually works. Step 1. Open up ChatGPT. This isn't some techie Silicon Valley thing. You just type what you want, and it spits out results. Let's say someone needs a product description for their online store, or a catchy ad for Instagram. You ask ChatGPT and boom, it delivers polished, high-energy content in seconds. Some teens are even writing entire blog posts, captions, or YouTube scripts before their homework is done. Step 2. Now, don't keep it to yourself. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and create a gig. Seriously, just a few clicks. Title it something like, "I'll write killer product descriptions, ads, or blog posts using AI." Add a sample or two. If you're bold, mention the AI edge. Set your price. That's it. Businesses don't care if you're 16 or 60 as long as you deliver the goods. Step 3. Before you deliver, run your text through Grammarly to make it mistake-proof, and Canva if you want it looking pro-level. Social media posts, cover letters, resumes. Teens are flipping these out for friends and strangers and charging for it. The results look like they came straight out of an agency, except you're working from your bed, not a cubicle. Bonus, smartest teens are using ChatGPT to help classmates with essays, write scholarship applications, or even coach others how to prompt. They charge for speed and creativity, and people pay because everyone wants a shortcut. Here's the best part. You don't need followers, you don't need fancy gear, and you definitely don't need a boss breathing down your neck. It's literally you, your laptop, and a few clever prompts standing between you and 50 bucks an hour. You're one prompt away from making money. Don't just scroll, do it. Subscribe for more real ways to earn in 2025. Your pizza fund or whatever you're into is waiting.